Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing April's squad box, you guys. This is such an amazing concept. You guys know I unboxed the March box in my previous video. I'll leave that up in the card so you guys can go ahead and see what was in the previous box. And oh my god, you guys, this month there's some really awesome products in here, and without any further ado, let's get into what's in this box. Okay, now first things first, I'm sure you guys are wondering, oh my god, Sanesh, what lashes are you using? These are the Glamour lashes in the style G908, and it does come with eyelash glue. Now I just applied these and I didn't even have to wait long for the eyelash glue to get tacky. So far I really love this style of lash. I mean, hello. And the glue is also really decent as well. Now these lashes retail for 150 Rand and they are really lightweight, super comfortable, and obviously I did have to trim them because they are quite long, but overall I will say the glue and the lashes pretty easy to work with. The band is not like extremely stiff. I know from like experiences with working with various lash brands that you kind of have to play with the band. You kind of have to play with the band sometimes just because it is so stiff, but I didn't have that issue with this specific set of lashes, and I think this style is just so beautiful, honestly. Okay, next we have a full-size Ofra blush bronzer. This is in the shade Format, and this already exists in my collection, and I have to say I really love it. So this is what it looks like up close. It has some beautiful iridescence in it, pretty decent shimmer in it. As you can see, it's pretty loved, and it's really nice on the skin because it doesn't look overpowering when you do blush or bronze with this. Now this retails for 550 Rand, and of course it is a full size. Now I'm gonna go ahead and demo this for you guys. I only have bronzer on and my Ofra highlight in the shade Everglow. I'm wearing the champagne color. Ofra is such a fave, such a staple in my makeup routine, and I am just going to add a little bit of this to the sides of my temples and my cheekbones. It gives me like a terracotta glow. Don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, this works really well if you're in a rush, and I already really like this product, so I'm glad you guys get to get this in your box as well. Next we have some skincare, and this is the Timeless Truth Black. It's called the Hydra Intense Mask, which is really bomb, especially for the change of season, and I cannot wait to put this on my face. And this mask retails for 50 Rand. Next you get a Cape Malva hand soap from Skin Clays, and then you also get a 50 Rand voucher from them as well. And you guys, this smells so good, and it's in the shape of a rose. Can you guys see that? So pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna wash my hands with this just now, and I'll let you guys know how it feels. Now the soap retails for 65 Rand. Next up we have a lipstick, and this is from Simi Cosmetics. This is in the shade number 9. Now, oh my god, you guys, the packaging of this lipstick though, how gorgeous is that? Okay, all my fingerprints are on it, but we're just gonna ignore that. So stunning. It actually swatches like really creamy, even though it's like matte. And of course we are going to test this on my lips. Okay, so I just wiped off my lipstick, left some lip liner on. Oh, this is so creamy. I have to smell everything, I don't know why. It looks matte, but it definitely does not feel matte. Like, it's not drying on the lips at all. Feels very comfortable, and this color is just, it's beautiful. It's honestly it's beautiful. And this lipstick retails for 110 Rand. And the last and final product in this box is the Magic Makeup Remover. Now this is a sample Magic Makeup Remover cloth, and basically how this works is that you literally wet it and it removes all of your makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hands with the soap, wet this cloth, and I'm gonna be removing my makeup on camera so you guys can see how effective this is. Now before I wet it, this is literally like a microfiber cloth. It is super soft, so we're gonna see if it works to remove all it is. And if you were wondering, this retails for 170 Rand. Okay, so update on this handmade African coconut soap. It works really well. It does not dry my hands out at all. My hands are not ash central. And now it is time to find out if this cloth really works. I'm probably gonna close off this video in a very scary way, but it's okay. Also, update on this lash glue. It does not tug on my actual eyelashes, which I really appreciate, because some really strong lash glues, I mean, they may hold your lashes for dear life, but they really tug at your natural lashes and it's very uncomfortable. So let's go in with this cloth and let's see. Wow. My skin is so red when it's like rubbed. Let's see if it gets rid of like all traces of makeup. It is very gentle and smooth on the skin, and it definitely removes like almost every single trace of makeup. Oh, a little bit of fluff right there, but I'm sure one wash will kind of get rid of that. Okay, so this is what my face looks like with makeup and without makeup. It literally removes like every single trace. What's really nice about this is that it's black as well, so even if your makeup does stain it, you probably won't be able to tell. And it does say on this little leaflet that you can hand wash it or machine wash with any soapy product, and you can rinse and use it all over again. So this eliminates the whole having to use wet wipes, and you know, with global warming and all that stuff, we really have to be conscious of what products we're using, whether it's biodegradable, whether it's eco-friendly, all that good stuff. Okay, now honestly, when I saw that there were lashes in this month's box, I was like, oh yes please, thank you so much. You guys know I love my lashes and all that good stuff. And the fact that there is glue along with the lashes in this box is absolutely amazing. So many different lashes come without glue, so I think the fact that they did something small as adding the lash glue with the lashes, honestly, I'm obsessed. What more can I say? Now this entire box's value comes to 1,095 Rand, and you're basically paying 400 Rand for the box, even less if you decided to go for like the 3-month subscription. So in my opinion, I honestly feel like you're definitely getting your money's worth. I mean, like I said in the previous video, you are getting products that you can use for like several months at a time. The lashes are gonna last you a while, the glue is gonna last you a while, the lipstick's gonna last you a while, the bronzer is gonna last you a while. I like the fact that they are kind of changing it up each month. Like last month we got like perfume and like face masks and skincare, and this month we get like more makeup, and it's honestly such a pleasure opening up these boxes and seeing these fun products inside. So I have to say, you guys know my opinion on this box. I really have to admit that this is one of those things that I feel like are value for money, and there's more incentive in subscribing to this box than anything else, which is fabulous. So I will leave my discount code down below in my description bar. You can use the code SANESHMAKEUP in all small letters to get 10% off if you do wish to subscribe to this squad box subscription. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. I know I got a comment on my last video saying it would be nice if you demoed the product, so I am going to try to the best of my ability to demo everything I possibly can on camera and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.